Hello, as I promised, I'm back and we are continuing with the most beautiful subject in the world, which is physical science, one of my favorite subjects. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, do catch us there, right, at @samasters_ZT. Right, so I'm going to continue with the preaching. Perfect. So now, I said I'm going to do examples, right? In this tutorial, I'm just doing examples, practical examples. So, go momentum, guys. Let's just say this is number 1, right? It's very, very easy. If you can just get the logic or the basics of everything, then everything will be easy. But if you miss out the introduction and this, then it's going to be a problem. So check. Consider a car of mass 1,000 kilograms with a velocity of 8 ms-1 east, right? Minutes per square seconds, or minutes per second, right? East. Give the momentum of the car, right? So, how? The first thing, now even if you forgot everything, how to calculate, the first thing we're gonna do is to take the formula. P is equals to mv. This one is it's a thing that you must know. It must be there. The formula first in physics. Then we want to see where you got that answer from. So show us with the formula. I want to see all the steps of mathematics. Sure. So what does math say? Right? Momentum. What is the question saying? You first go and take your highlighter, and then you take your right hand. You say, okay, what are they looking for? The momentum. They're looking for the momentum. You'll see why am I underlining momentum, ne? I want to catch you guys. Sharp. They want the momentum. So this is what we are looking for. So I must not worry about this. I must just say P. Take it down as it is. Ne? Mass, we are given. Velocity, we are given. With direction. Ne? What is the mass? 1,000 kilograms. Perfect. Right? Math says when we substitute, you put brackets. Brackets. So if the marker doesn't see brackets, they'll penalize you. Sharp. They'll penalize you. 1 mark. Sharp. Mathematics says when we substitute, you put brackets. Brackets again. Sharp. What happens now? 8 ms, we put it exactly as it is. It's 8. Right? Right? So it immediately, you know that they told you that east. Ne? So east, there. Ne? Then you multiply with your calculator, probably get 8,000. Right? kg dot m dot s1. Ne? And that will be your momentum, right? But then don't forget the direction east. But alternatively, what you can do, you can decide and say, okay, east. Remember, we have what we call the compass, ne? We have compass, then we have north, we have south, then we have I don't know, east is this side, and there's west, right? So this is like your number line, and you can say every time there's east, then it means your velocity is positive, and every time you see west, your velocity is negative. So your answer will be positive, and you don't put east there, right? I was gonna leave my answer without the direction. The marker automatically knows that if it's positive, then it's east. So what you do when you're solving, you say consider east as positive. Then you leave your answer in this form. You don't need to write east, né? Because not always they're gonna give you east. They'll say negative. Well, now you must know that negative, if you're considering east as positive, then yeah, it means that it's going west, right? So they wanna see with the negative, which okay, this thing is going west. Né? So it's either you're gonna use the sign method or you're gonna use the whole east lab. It's fine, or west. Né? But compass knowledge from geography is important. I didn't do geography, by the way. Now, there's another important point that I want to add. Then I'm going to show you the second example. Right. Well, what's going on now in physics? Hey, in physical science, people, you have to be very, very, very smart with what you're doing. You must be very, very smart with what you're doing. First, let's check. They can say, yeah, 1,000 meters, grams, I mean, né? Yeah, they can say 1,000 grams. They say car mass of 1,000 grams, then they give you the same information, né? 1,000 grams. Well, now you know that in momentum, it deals with kilograms. So you must know how to convert from grams to kilograms. How do you do that? Every time they give you grams, listen to me, every time they give you grams, well, now you take those grams, you say over 1,000 to make them kilograms. I hope I'm making sense. Please. Nah. Perfect. Now we're going to the second example. Now I'm going to show you why did I highlight momentum and all those kind of things. It's the same question, but I'm bringing it up in a different format. Okay. With a car mass of 1,000 kilograms and the momentum, please write down the question in your books if you can, and the momentum of 8,000 kg.ms. Mathematics is still a problem to a lot of people, hence I'm doing this. I want to show you something. Find the velocity. Alright, sharp. They might tell you that consider east as positive. They might tell you, they will tell you everything, right? Sharp. So now, they say now they're looking for the velocity. Now, this doesn't mean you must apply our equations of motion when you're saying x. No. Same method. P is equals to mv. But now, take your highlighter, right hand side, and you say, which one are they looking for? The velocity. Which means, man, P is not safe. I can't write P anymore down there. I don't have it. What do I need the velocity. So which means the only thing that is safe here is the V. The rest, get the brackets. So, when I substitute, I must put brackets. What is my P? 8,000. Wow, perfect. Listen, for the fact that this was written in a positive format, I told you that east is positive, west is negative. So now that they're written, it means that this thing automatically is east. How do I know? Positive. Positive tells me. Now, if it was negative 8,000, then it was the negative, guys. It just gives direction. It doesn't mean it's working. It's giving the direction. So the negative will tell me that it's west, but because it's positive, it's telling me that this thing is going east. So I already know, Lana, what am I gonna do? It's positive, which means this thing is going east. Sharp. What's the mass? They gave us the mass, 1,000 kgs. What do? You do your mathematics. Let's go. Distribution law. 1,000 times V, it's 1,000 V. We haven't even got to the difficult things. We still, and then what happens this side? We have 8,000. Sharp. Math says we divide both sides by the number next to the variable. So we divide by 1,000, we divide by 1,000. Right? V. That's my velocity. 8,000 divided by 1,000, I'm going to get 8. Right? And then, therefore, my V, you can just bring it this side and you have it's MS1. You can say east if you want, but the marker knows that because it's positive, it's east. It's okay if you're going to put a negative here, which means you're saying it's west, but it's self-contradictory. So that's momentum. We're going to go deeper and deeper and deeper into momentum, but that's the first step or the first scenario of actually understanding linear momentum. Right? Do follow us on Facebook. Do follow us everywhere. We are out there. We are enriching lives. We are changing lives with the team. Do join our WhatsApp group. Do join everything that we're doing at Science Masters. Yeah, peace. Shout out for listening. All right.